Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Almost clicked out of it. I think we're gonna keep going down. That'll be clean. It will fall all the way here. Boom! Oh! Oh my god! It breaks. We're good. Good morning. Good morning. What it do? What it do? What it do? What's good? Market is tanking. I think we could go try, the yearly low. Excuse me. 24,200 would be the low for the year. This here, next point is quarter. I think we blow past this, we go all the way down here. All the way down. This is a nice squeeze. Here we got a little gap here. It's probably gonna try to come down, take this. Nice squeeze of the shorts. Bears took in again at 25,000 or the 24,500 zone. Rolled it right back down. Busted through this block, hit that 25 zone. Came back down, rejected from here, rolled it. See if we can hold this up now. Could try to come back up here, but if it can't, we're gonna come up a little bit and then roll it back over. But we gotta bust through this. Gotta bust through this candle close here to keep it coming. Otherwise, it's gonna work itself up and then roll down. Unless we just 3-bar it down, I don't know how weak it's gonna be, but we got 5 minutes until the open, so I'm just gonna chill and wait. I'm already up 644 on this account. This 4-hour looks so terrible. Looks terrible. 3 minutes. Let's see if there's rolling down yet. But we'll see what the open does. Minute and a half. I'm up 644 at that one. I'm up 121 on these. I'm just playing micro on my other ones here. This one I blew a mini. I got way more on this one than I do my other one. And my other one's trailing drawdown, so I want to be cautious with that one. I don't want to just fuck it up right away. Trying to get it above my buffer of 1500. And then we can go a little bit higher. She goes. There she goes. Massive short down. This could keep dropping. Like I said, 24,200. That was. I want to see if we can keep dumping on this. I did get into the short. I only got 2 micros on it though, nothing big. This one here, it's gonna wait on. There's that pop up. This is trying to pop it back up. See if we can hold under these 70s here for the short back down. This is holding it down. Might drop here, add it into it. Just holding it down here so far. I might just cover. Just keep popping it up. We're above 70. See if we can pull down a little bit before we try to pop this thing back up. But SPX is trying to pop it up. It is having some troubles. As long as we hold under the 70 area, that's the quarter low. I gotta see it hold under that. If it holds under it, the drop is good still. If it starts to break above it, then I'm gonna have to get out of it. We can't get above it still. Here we go. Give me that drop down. I don't like how it's struggling right around this area. It is fighting it. I might just have to cover out. Should have just covered out of it there. See if we drop this here. This is a new 5-minute candle, so I want to see if we could push this down here. I'm gonna cover one out. So I got 2 runners going still. If I want to see if we can take this low, it should get aggressive, but I'm just gonna cover out of it for now. That's fine. Up 200. I just don't like how it's kind of holding this here. This could try to pop this thing back up. It was a quick 200. Ain't taking anything right now. I'm just gonna wait this out for a little bit here. Excuse me. It is holding under it. This is looking really good for just a massive, massive drop down. This is holding it down. This is trending it down. But if we start breaking and holding above this 70, this will come back up and probably test like 400 area. Up around here. There's the break of it, but it can't hold it. There it is. Now it's holding. Staying under this 400 area. This one here, I can take off. Irrelevant. There's above that 400. This could start to keep going up here. We can hold it above this 400. This is target right here. It's 28. Holding under that 400 still is. This is trying to pop it up. Gotta stay above that 400 for it to shoot up to that 28. It is holding under it so far, but gotta get back under the 70 area, a quarter point low for it to drop some more. Right around that 50, 55 area, there's a lot of traffic there. If we could break 35, this could really start to run it to like 519. This could really start to pop it. There's that target. This could really start to run it all the way up. Can we break this 40? Breaking it. This could run it. We're at the 55 zone again. SPS almost tested its high. I didn't take it. I just watched it, but I just don't like how it's wicking it, wicking it, and wicking it, and wicking it, and wicking it. I said if we hold above here, this is target. Now we broke this, we're holding above here. We almost came right up to previous quarterly low. If this wants to hold it, this has got hella room to come back up here. But we'll see. Gotta break up above that 55. If it breaks that 55, this could go all the way up 24. 500 would be next target if this can hold it up. See what it does here. This is still holding it up here. SPS might break its high and this thing could fly up to the 25, 24, 500, up to 55. Could be targets if we could break this 455. Can't break that 55. SPS tested its high and bounced off of it. Let's see what NQ wants to hold up here. It is holding it strong. So we got this is a brand new 5-minute candle too. Could start to run it. I gotta see SPX break its high. I gotta see the break of 455. And I want to see the break of SPX's high. So otherwise, this is just stuck right now. I'm gonna see if I can scalp a little bit on that short. popped it back up. See if we hold under, or are we just gonna run it right back up? This might just run right back up. See if we hold under that 28 area. Let's see if I can add into this. See if we can get a little bit of a drop, or I can just cover out of it. And this might pop it up here. I don't want to see it eat that candle wick. I wanted to see a little bit of a drop beforehand, but this is not going to do it. Minute and a half on the 5. I might try to add into the right here. See if I can get a little bit of a drop again. This is just looking strong right now though, so any little drop below this like 411, I'm probably just gonna take it. Any little drop below the 411, I'll probably take it. I want to see if we can drop this down here. Come on. I'm going to see it get past 411 if we can do it here. This is holding up strong though. Yeah, this is holding up really strong. Yeah, that's not good. This might just run it. About to be a 5-minute candle. This could just run. This candle could just run it. Yeah, this is gonna run it up. She's gonna run it up. There we go. Of course it wants to drop here. Can we keep pushing this? Really like to see this start to fly. Give me that push. Come on. This might go all the way up to 600 area too, yo. We break 24. 524. This could really start to get aggressive up. I mean, next stop would be 60. 560. I want to see we got to break this 500 though. Yeah, this is not pushing it up there. Two minutes on the 5. This is trying to push back down. See if we can hold above this 65 area. I would love to see this pop up to like 600. Just make an absolute ripper. We just got to break through all this 500 area and it should start to rip it. Up here would be the next resistance, but if we could break that, it's go time. Minute on the 5 minute here. I don't like how it's stalling at that 500. I want to see a push through that. All right, this candle's got to give it up here now. I want to see the push because it's about to be a new 5-minute candle after this. I would really like to see it push up. Get above that 500. I want to see this start to rip then. I'm going to watch this here. If we break that, I'll probably get into this one. I am in the long on my other ones. We got to get above that though. So I would just see it pushing it up here. Couple seconds left. Good 5-minute close. Stay up. Continuation through. Give me a continuation up. Come on. Might have to close out. No, I gotta close out of it. I can't let it go red on me. I wanted to see a break up above this box. I would have entered on the long on this account. And I would have scaled into it more in my other one, but it didn't get there. Excuse me. Hmm. You know, see if we can drop it down, maybe back down to 55. We break 65, it'll go. But we break this 65. Back down to 55. We break that. I'm gonna scale into it. All right, I'm just gonna get out of it. I'm just gonna take it. Little scalps. Little scalps. Like this long here really cooked me. Or this long here. This long here cooked me. I was trying to see if I can short it. Somewhere's around here, I don't remember. Maybe it was down here, I don't know. Where I was short 16 area. Yeah, this candle. This was, yeah, no. I don't know, somewhere's around here, I don't remember. Where I was on the short, I wanted to see a little bit of a pop back down, and it couldn't do it. Right around like 411, yeah, right around here. So it must have been, I don't know, right around this area. It might have been this candle. I don't know. I was down on that one, so I gotta make it back up. Quick little scalps. See if we can pop it back up, maybe. Looks like it wants to short back down. Mid. 417 is mid. There's top side. Down here, obviously, is bottom side. All right, I want to see what this one does here. This is news, home sales or some shit like that. I think it was. Something. I didn't take anything else on this account. I'm still up 644, so this might be a 3-bar and the 5 here. I'm gonna take the break of it. See if we can start pushing. Retesting orb. Stay up. I could have added to that test of orb, but I did not. I do have an add-in at 50. So if we break up above that, I'm gonna see this run all the way up to like 600, 560, and then 600. We'll see. I mean, might get back below orb. Let's see here. See if we 3Z this up or we break back into it. If it breaks back into it, I'll just probably get out. We're probably gonna come test that 500, quite honest. Here comes that 500 test. It's on the 5. Should have added into that 500 test. I didn't do it. We're gonna come back down and test. Test the orb again. This might start to pop it here. If we break high, I'll probably scale. And then another one at 50. This might come back down to, yep. This might really dump it here now. And I'm gonna try to see if we can pop it back up. I might have to get out of this. See if we get back up. Get back above orb. 30 seconds on this 5. I want to see this run it back up. Don't drop below that 2500 area, that 500. I don't want to see it drop below that. Yeah, come on. Stay up. It's not going to. This is going to drop. Yeah, that's shitty. I have to get out of that. That sucks. Couldn't hold it up. It might hold here, but yeah, that sucks. That sucks. Took it out to break up orb here. Let's see if I can get this long again. I don't know. Look at it. Fucking held it right here too. Piece of stupid ass shit, dude. Dumb ass shit. Goes down to take me out to go right back up, man. Bogus. This has got to break a new high. Breaks a new high, I scale back into it, but this is, man, it's just not doing it. Fuck. It just won't do it. Come on, stay up, SPX. I want to see NQ run this thing up here. It breaks this high, I'm scaling heavy into it. What up, Cardiff? See if we can break this high. I'm scaling. This is holding it down, though. Yeah, that's not good. Just won't fucking do it, man. Just playing around, man. Bullshit. Bogus. Stupid. Fucking stupid. Just won't fucking do it, man. Dumbass trailing drawdown. Cooks me again. I hate trailing drawdown. I hate it so fucking much. Alright, I'm gonna focus on this account at least. Fuck the other one, I guess. Whatever. Is what it is. It was a free account anyways. Some TPT. I had so many points. I was able to buy a free 25k account. Passed it. And then trailing drawdown kicks in. Like fucking always. Hate trailing drawdown, that's the worst. Fuck, I should have just took this short open. Just even a mini. 2 minis. Fuck, I would have banked on it. That's in hindsight though. Whatever. Oh well. See if we can really drop this thing down now. I guess SPX is untested down below, so. This is going weak. I don't want to get in it too early. Yeah, this is starting to move it. Do I try it here? I'm gonna try it here. See if we can break this down. I want to see it down to this 55. I want to see SPX break right back down to orb. I want NQ. If we break 55, we go back down the midline there. See what happens. I want to see a drop. This is fucking holding it. Of course it is. Of course it is. Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking bullshit. My fucking god. Of course it does some bullshit like that. I don't know. Like, it could start to run it up, I guess. Fucking there it goes. Fuck you. I'm gonna try to scalp it up. This might drop back down here. Yep. There's just fucking scalp that took that scalp. This could drop. This could drop right back down. Should have just took it. See if we hold up here. If we break a high, I'd probably scale another one into it. Oh, I can only do two. Never mind. Okay. Forgot, lucid funded. When you're on the funded, you can only do 2 at a turn. Okay, well, it is what it is. You can 3-bar this up here, or if you come right back down. This could come back down. I'm not gonna fucking bullshit. So fucking bullshit. Ah, fuck. Do we short it all the way back down? Fuck it. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna short it all the way back down. All the way back down to the bottom. Come on. SPS is dumping this thing. Get it. Get it. Come on. Keep going, pussy. You got room. Come on, bitch. Fuck you. Don't go back up. Cocksucker. Keep dropping this, bitch. Come on. You ate that whole fucking candle almost. Keep dropping this thing. Dump this bitch. Hard. Dump it. Come on. Oh, SPS is going. Come on, NQ, man. Dump this thing. Get back down to that bottom. Get back down at 65 and then break it and fucking drop. NQ is holding this thing up. Stay under. There we go. Nice wick and flip. Come on. Dump it. Dump this thing. Let's see it. Let's see it. Come on. Come on. You even held under 500. Fucking bitch, dude. Drop this thing, man. Fucking NQ is dragging ass, dude. Come on. I want to see this really dump. Come on, you're holding it under at 500. You had a failed bullish move. Let's drop this thing. SPS is going. Let's go, NQ. Let's go. Dump this bitch, man. Come on. SPS, I want to see topside orb. Dump it, NQ. There you go, you little fucker. There we go. Write that down the bottom. You're gonna hold it there? I don't think so. I think this keeps going more. Or not. Or not. Or not. I'm just gonna take it. Fuck, I wanted to see it get down here. I wanted to see the test of 55, but we broke that all the way down to midline, but I took it out. Up 200. I was up 6, but this is still looking good for a short. This is still looking good for a short. Yep, here it comes. SPS almost hit target. NQ is only going to go to test 65. Excuse me, this could pop up now. SPS did not. No, we got room downward yet. Could try to pop up. We do have room to the downside yet, though. Look at this gap from before, or this order block. This block right here. How it gapped it on this candle. If this holds, I want to see this roll down more. I want to see it hold under this here. This is the area of interest. If SPS breaks into orb, I'd probably get back into NQ. But for now, I'm just gonna wait. And still didn't release my account. What the fuck? This could be the dump here. Could I'm gonna test it. I think we dump it here. And Q just has to give it up. SPS breaking orb. There it goes. Come on, give that up. Give that 65 up. It might just test the orb. I want to see a break inside of it. I want NQ to come test this 55 down there. But this could try to bounce it back up to see if we drop it. What are we gonna do? What are we doing here? We dropping it, or are we gonna pump it back up? Come on, NQ, get down to that 655 area. There we go. 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 Setting stops. I'm trailing it. Get down there. Get down there 55. SPX has room. Nope, it's gonna trail me out. All right. This has still got room to the downside, but SPS needs to break back into orb. Oh, I really want to see it come back down here on NQ. SPS needs to break back into orb again. We break 55 on minute. Nope, holding it so far. NQ is holding it up, or SPS is holding above orb so far. Back up to test the 500 area. SPS does have a gap at top side. I really wanted to see it come down before this thing popped it back up. But this, I don't know. This is setting it back up for short. These sellers are stepping in heavy. SPX did set up a long setup, but it is invalidating it right now. This bitch is dumping it. I want to see if we break this 55. SPS getting back into orb. I'm gonna test it. Anticipating the break of this. There it is. Go, 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 go. Get down there. Come on, dump it. Dump it. Come on. Dump, 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 dump. Trailing my stop. I'm out. SPX didn't quite get there. I wanted to see it sweep that gap. Still did not do it. Watch it go now. Watch it go now. There she goes. About to sweep the gap. We break through it. NQ is going to test midline. SPX did not close it. NQ could be coming down this. See if we push through it aggressively. All right, we're filling it. It is pushing through it. NQ might hard to go here. I might do a quick scalp if we can keep pushing. It might be going too fast. It might go too fast without me. Let's see. I am anticipating a pop back up, but I really wanted to see. I mean, NQ did come test here, yeah. I really wanted to see a midline test on it, but this could be an area where it pops it. SPX is holding underneath the gap though. Hold on here. It is dropping it down more. And Q is not giving it up though. Oh, and Q is not giving it up. See what we do on this candle? This could pump. See if SPS can reclaim above it and Q reclaim that 500. But we got resistance right here too. What that 555? I mean, not 500. Nope. Retest it for a drop back down. SPS is still dumping it. There's no gap down there. SPS could be going for midline possibly. NQ is not giving this thing up though. Once it gives it on NQ, that's gonna dump hard. I think it goes pretty aggressive once it does give it up. NQ is not giving it up. NQ is staying bully. Maybe pull down a little bit. If, I mean, if we get back above that 65, I'd probably attempt it, but still watching SPX here. SPX has to close up above that gap that it filled. It does have a gap at top side. This could be an area for NQ to bounce from, but everything's holding it down so far. SPS is going lower. SPS gives up 74. This is going to get aggressive downward. Gave it up right here. NQ is still holding this thing up. NQ is way strong. Way strong. This might try to run it. Just watching them. Yeah, Coda. I'll be on for it once I'm done. SPX is holding this thing down. NQ is stronger. If NQ gives it up, this thing's gonna tank it. NQ is staying strong so far. SPS is weak. SPX is forming a trend to down for a big drop. If NQ just got to give it up, then it will go. This NQ is just holding this. If it breaks that 28, I might attempt it. SPS is still moving. Just gotta take this player out here at that 28 area. And it'll push. It might push without me. It might get aggressive. I'm just gonna test it. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do here. Are we gonna hold it or are we just gonna drop it? SPS is still going. Come on, NQ, give that up. There we go. There it goes. Get past mid. Get past mid. Get past it. Get past mid. Do I get out here? Do I take it? I'm just gonna take it. This might keep going. Yeah. SBS is testing midline. So that's a NQ is at midline. This is what I wanted. Right here is where I wanted from this drop. Right here. Where I got into the short right here. That's what I wanted it to get to here. But it wanted to pop back up. So I got out of it. Got back in and on this candle. Got out of it down here because it was holding this. This couldn't go. It couldn't go. SBS was weak. NQ was just holding it. Once NQ gave this up, it went. So I got back in it. Right down to the midline. I wanted to see it keep going if we could have broke this. But this was main target before. Back to 700 profit. This looks like it's going to keep dropping it here. Yeah, this could get aggressive down. $45 seconds on the 5. I want to see where this candle closes at. This will tell me more. Because this will be a new 5-minute candle. $20 seconds. Just going to start to buy up. I want to see what this next candle does. I want to see where this closes and the next one does. Is it going to give a follow through up? Can we get above this 28? We are holding midline, but 5 seconds. We'll see what this candle does. This will tell me more of what we're going to do here. All right, I'm going to try to see if we can push this up. It is stalling here, but I want to see if we can get a push back up, but see if NQ can get the strength behind it, or if we're just going to drop back through midline again. I want to see it come back, test 55, those previous wicks up there. SPS is kind of trying to push it here. NQ is struggling. See if we can give it. If we can break that 55 all the way back up here would be main target. See if we can do it here. NQ is got to go. SPS is strong. Let's see if NQ can do it. NQ keeps failing. SBS has to break above this here. That it's at resistance for it though. We could break resistance here on SBS. NQ will go. NQ will start to get to that 55, but we got to break it up here. Come on, SPX, break above. There it goes. It's broke. So we'll see NQ get up to 55. Go on. There it is. There's a 55. We're testing these wicks here. We break these wicks, we get back up, all the way back up. SPS is still running. Come on, NQ, catch up. Come on, NQ, catch up with it. There we go. Run this thing all the way back up. Give me it. All the way, baby. Yep. This is target up here. We break this, we go all the way up. We break that box, I'm scaling. And scaling into it. Now we're rolling. Now I want to see this break orb and go for a new high. Up 1,000, 1,100. I want to see this break this 500 though. Break 500, come on. We break 500, we're good to go all the way up to the high. Trying to break here. Come on. Come on, we gotta break 500. Break it up, break it up, break it up. All right, I gotta lock in. I have to lock in at least 600 on it. Let's see if we can push this up here. Nope, it's about to took me out. Okay, up 1300. 1300 on the day. Beautiful long. Played out exactly how I wanted it to play out. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. Beautiful. Beautiful. This could keep pushing until now. We're above this 5. You can get above this 500. It's closing right on it. SPS has hella room. This could start to run. This could take highs out. It's not giving that 500 up yet. Hella room up to the top side if we can break up here. NQ will go for a new high and beyond. There it goes to move. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can roll with this. Lots of volume kicking in. I want to see if we can keep pushing it. See if we can push up for a new high. This should go all the way. I don't see this stopping. Especially if SPS breaks this right here. NQ breaks above this box too. This has no stopping. This will just go. But we gotta break it up here at this point. This is resistance area for it. We break it, it's good to go. This will get new highs then. Come on. SPS is trying to break it. Come on, NQ. SPS is breaking. Come on, NQ, break it. Push this thing, NQ. There you go. Get above, get above. There we go. It's good. We're good to go. All the way up to a new high. Get it. Get this thing. All right, I'm trailing my stop. Trailing my stop. This should go for a new high. This should go for a new high. I trail my stop here. I'll lock in at about 200. That took me out. Up 1500 on the day. I'll probably just call it there. See if I could have did that on my other account, but it's got that gay ass trailing drawdown. Dude. It's so ass. I absolutely hate trailing drawdown. Absolutely hate it. All right, I am gonna call it here. Coda, if you're in, I'm gonna jump on Rocket for a little bit because I do have a Zoom meeting coming up here soon. So I'm gonna jump on that first because I can leave Rocket League at any moment. I don't care. So I don't remember time. It's either in an hour. Yeah, I'm just gonna jump on Rocket for now. All right. What is today? Thursday. I took Wednesday off. I'll probably be back on tomorrow. I'll go live tomorrow yet. I did miss Wednesday. So. We'll be back on. I'll be back on tomorrow. Appreciate coming in. Much love. I'll see you then. God bless.